Gajaraj the elephant lived in the best booth of royal stables. The king was fond of Gajaraj and he had ordered that the elephant be well looked after. In spite of royal comfort, Gajaraj was sad because he had no friends. The Mahout or elephant trainer, who the only one he ever interacted with the Mahout, was a kind man who served Gajaraj food and gave him a bath in the elephant pond daily. He was a good caretaker but not a friend. I wish I had a friend I can play with, thought Gajaraj. One late evening, a dog strayed into the stable. Gajaraj could see that the visitor was tired and hungry. He pulled some of the food he was munching towards the dog.